In our modern era, the 21st century, technology is advancing at an unprecedented pace. It's influencing every aspect of our lives, from our jobs to our social interactions, and even how we learn. This rapid evolution of technology has made it imperative to keep up with the latest skills and trends. Being technologically literate nowadays is not just about knowing how to use a computer or smartphone. It's about understanding how these technologies work and how they're changing the world around us. It's about being able to adapt to new tools and platforms as they emerge, and understanding how to use them effectively in various contexts. Our future is being shaped by technology. The way we communicate, the way we work, the way we solve problems, all of these are being transformed by the digital revolution. This is why it's so important for students and indeed everyone to develop themselves with the modern skills needed for the 21st century. So are you ready to step into this world of technological wonders? Are you ready to equip yourself with the skills of the future? Let's explore the technologies that are defining our era and see how you can prepare for the technological advancements of the 21st century. Ever pondered upon how drastically our lives have shifted in the 21st century? The culprit behind this transformation is none other than technology. Today, we journey through the 20 technologies that defined the first 20 years of the 21st century in chronological order of their introduction or impact. We begin our journey with the introduction of the 3G network in the early 2000s. This technology revolutionized mobile internet, making it faster and more reliable. It allowed us to browse the web, download music, and stream videos right from our smartphones. Then came the social media boom, starting with Facebook in 2004. Social media platforms changed the way we connect with the world, making it easier to stay in touch with friends, share opinions, and even mobilize social movements. YouTube made its appearance in 2005, becoming a platform for sharing and discovering videos. It gave birth to a new generation of celebrities and transformed the way we consume media. 2007 was a landmark year, with Apple unveiling the iPhone. This innovative device combined a phone, an iPod, and an internet communication device into one sleek package. It was not just a product, but a revolution that changed the way we communicate and consume information. The second decade of the 21st century kicked off with the rise of the gig economy. Platforms like Uber and Airbnb emerged, providing flexible work opportunities and reshaping traditional industries. In 2009, Bitcoin emerged as the first decentralized cryptocurrency. It introduced us to the concept of blockchain, a technology with potential applications far beyond digital currency. The 4G network rolled out in 2010, offering faster data speeds and improved mobile internet experience. It set the stage for high-quality video streaming, enhanced gaming experiences, and more. The concept of smart homes became a reality in 2011, with the introduction of voice assistants like Amazon's Alexa. These innovative systems allow us to control our home appliances with just our voice, making our lives easier. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR technology started gaining traction in 2012. These immersive technologies have the potential to revolutionize entertainment, education, and even healthcare. The 5G network saw its first deployment in 2018, promising even faster data speeds, lower latency, and the ability to connect more devices simultaneously. Finally, we arrive at quantum computing, a technology still in its infancy, but with the potential to revolutionize computing. It promises to solve complex problems that are currently beyond the reach of classical computers. These are the technologies that have defined the first 2 decades of the 21st century. They have changed the way we live, work, and play, reshaping our society and economy in an unanticipated manner. It's essential to comprehend the significance of learning and understanding these technologies. They play an instrumental role in shaping not only the present, but also deciding the future. As we move forward, it's crucial to equip ourselves with the knowledge and skills of these technologies. The pace of technology will not slow down, and it will continue to redefine our world in the years to come.